Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 15. This is Section 2.9, Problem 15. We have 6 7/10 minus 2 1/4. So in order to do this subtraction, we need to make a common denominator. So if we're dealing with 10 and 4, a good common denominator would be 20. 20 will work well. 10 divides into 20 evenly, and so does 4. So let me start with a denominator of 20 for each fraction. And then we'll figure out what the numerators need to be. So for the upper fraction, 10 times some number winds up making it 20. Well, it must be 10 times 2, so the numerator of that fraction must also be multiplied times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And then we have to do the same process for the lower fraction. The denominator of 4 times some number multiplies to give me a 20. That number must be 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So the numerator is multiplied times the same number, times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Now I have common denominators. I can go ahead and subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9 over my common denominator of 20. And now I have to subtract the whole numbers also. Don't forget about the whole numbers. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then you want to see if that can be reduced. And if you look, 9 over 20, we really won't reduce. There's nothing that divides into both evenly. So that'll be our final answer, 4 9/20.